Okay, now let us start. We will go to the clickbank.com site here. See, Clickbank is a marketplace, it's an affiliate site, and they have a lot of products featured. All you have to do is take a product, choose your niche, and market it and sell it. When you market and sell it, you will get a good commission of out. You will get a good commission out of it, mostly at an average of 50% of the price. All you need is one or two sales a day, and you will be making $100 a day at an average $3,000 a month. It's very easy. So dive in, create your account. If you don't have an account, create your account here. It's very simple to join. Clickbank does not charge anything. So you can create an account for free and you start working. Once you create an account, then you log in. Let me log in here. Okay, now you are logged in. You've created your account, you have logged in, you come to the marketplace. Now you need to look for a good niche which sells quickly. My recommendations are you always stick to health, wealth, relationship and hobby. These are the niches which really sell well, and most of the people on internet are looking for these niches. There are a lot of customers out there and you can do really well in it. So let us check here a good niche in these categories. Health and fitness. Just go into the health and fitness. In health and fitness, you go to, yeah, okay. Now let us jump into health and fitness categories. See all these products here. What you need to look for is the gravity. See gravity here 151. The gravity, higher is the gravity, the higher is the gravity, the product is more in demand, or this product really sells well. Well, honestly, you don't look for a gravity which is greater than 100. Greater than 100 means there is lot of competition out there. So in lot of competition, you need to do more hard work. So you stick to a gravity which is 0 to 90. Let me write here 90. 0 to 90. Okay, and the rest stays same.